Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Wordart in PowerPoint creatively. If you want to make your text stand out and add a unique touch to your slides, this is the perfect tool. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Inside the text group, click on Wordart. You'll see several preset styles. Choose one that fits your design. Next, type in your text. It could be a title, a quote, or a short phrase. Don't worry about the style just yet. You can customize it afterward. Now, select your word art and go to the Shape Format tab. Here, you can change the font, color, and effects. Try experimenting with text fill to use gradients, solid colors, or even image textures. You can also add a thin text outline to make your words stand out even more. If you want a bold look, try using fonts like Impact or Bibas Neue for extra emphasis. And that's it. With just a few adjustments, you can turn simple text into creative word art that brings life and personality to your PowerPoint slides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more PowerPoint tips and tricks like this one.